Welcome, knowledge seekers. Are you curious about the world of nuclear power and how countries around the globe are harnessing its energy? Look no further. In this article, we'll delve into the ranked nuclear power capacity by country, exploring the top 10 nations leading the way in nuclear energy production. From the United States to the United Kingdom, we'll examine the countries that are harnessing the power of the atom to meet their energy needs. So, let's dive in and explore the fascinating world of nuclear power. As the world continues to grapple with the challenges of climate change, nuclear power remains a crucial component of the global energy mix. In this article, we will explore the ranked nuclear power capacity by country, based on data from the World Nuclear Association. Global nuclear power capacity. As of 2022, the total global nuclear power capacity stands at over 390 gigawatts. This represents a significant increase from the 2021 figures, with several countries expanding their nuclear programs. Top 10 countries by nuclear power capacity. United States. The United States remains the world's largest producer of nuclear power, with a total capacity of 97.8 gigawatts. The country's nuclear fleet comprises 93 operational reactors, with several new projects in the pipeline. France is the second largest nuclear power producer, with a capacity of 61.4 gigawatts. The country's nuclear program is a significant contributor to its energy mix, accounting for over 70% of its electricity generation. China's nuclear power capacity has grown rapidly in recent years, with the country now boasting a total capacity of 51.4 gigawatts. China's nuclear program is expected to continue expanding, with several new reactors under construction. Russia's nuclear power capacity stands at 30.3 gigawatts, with the country's state-owned nuclear corporation, Rosatom, playing a significant role in the global nuclear industry. South Korea's nuclear power capacity is 23.2 gigawatts, with the country's nuclear program providing a significant portion of its electricity generation. Canada's nuclear power capacity is 13.5 gigawatts, with the country's nuclear fleet comprising several operational reactors. Germany's nuclear power capacity is 12.7 gigawatts, although the country has announced plans to phase out nuclear power by 2030. Ukraine's nuclear power capacity is 12.5 gigawatts, with the country's nuclear program providing a significant portion of its electricity generation. Japan's nuclear power capacity is 11.5 gigawatts, although the country's nuclear program has faced significant challenges in recent years. The United Kingdom rounds out the top 10 with a nuclear power capacity of 10.5 gigawatts. Other notable countries: India, 7.4 gigawatts, Sweden, 6.9 gigawatts, Spain, 6.2 gigawatts, Switzerland, 3.2 gigawatts. Nuclear power remains a vital component of the global energy mix, with several countries expanding their nuclear programs. As the world continues to transition towards a low-carbon economy, nuclear power is likely to play an increasingly important role. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Share this video with your friends if you found it valuable.